All right. Yeah. Good evening once again. Good to have you guys in class. I hope you all have a beautiful day. Yeah, you're welcome to day two of the Open Analytic project, and we are analyzing the Nigerian Telecoms um, industries. All right. So our day one activities, we try to understand the data set, and we also downloaded the data and start cleaning the data. Okay. And today we are going to try and finish up with the standard templates. Then hopefully we will do, we are going to transform or take the data to Power BI. Okay, that's the get data aspect. Then we transform the data, we massage it, we can also torture the data and get it ready for visualization. So that's what we are doing today. So let me just go to the templates that we started formatting. I'm proposing that we should maintain this, let me call it nomenclature or like a standard in collecting our data. Okay, I believe you all remember how the main the source data or the raw data is, right? It's kind of dirty and everywhere is they just put different color code, kind of messy. So we try to extract this data and put it in this format. All right. So having it in this format will make it easier for us at the point of doing the extraction, transform, and load process, and just to do some few transformation in Power Query, then the data will be ready for data visualization. All right. And last that was on Tuesday. Oh, okay. So on Tuesday, I started, we started the cleaning, and what I did was that I started from fourth quarter 2017. Okay, and well, I still remember that. Oh, okay, awesome. All right. So I started from fourth quarter of 2017, but I will need to go back to third quarter 2017 and quickly, clean it. That's where we start from today. And I would have done it, but we all have the understanding that I should just continue from here so that everybody will be on the same page. All right. So then there's another thing I need to quickly point our attention to. For the porting activities, all right, we have the quarter or year, we have the operator, we have port in, port out. There's one column that is missing here, and that is just a minute, guys. So the column that is missing is we need to add, just say activity column, and just say activity. Yeah, why we are doing this is so that it will be easier for us when we are doing the transformation. So I can call this porting activity, say porting activities. Okay, yeah. So I think this is the, all right, so our 2017, the fourth quarter of 2017 data is available or is ready now. So to do for 2017, the third quarter, what I will just do is that I can create a new sheet. Okay, Control N, give me a new worksheet. Then I want to copy everything here because it's almost the same thing. I'll just copy everything here and paste. Then this for voice. I'll rename this as Q3 Q3 active voice. Okay, then I want to come here and call this Q3 2017. Sorry guys. Okay, so all right, so I will just drag down and do auto and fill down. Then I have 2017. So I'll come to my third quarter. Remember that is for voice. Come to voice per state from MTN to other network. Then I copy this and yeah, just paste as value. Okay, then there's another thing I need to quickly draw our attention to. If you come to this 2017 third quarter, you realize that, and it's almost for all the, for all the data, you realize that we have other states like undefined. Well, I think we still need to deliberate this on this, but for me, I feel we can still leave it out for now. Okay, we don't have any. There's nothing like other states. We already have like what's it called? The 36 states, including the federal capital city or territory, making 37 states. Okay, so having these others is just like an outlier. So we won't bring in that data for now. So the same thing I'll do for active, what's it called? Active internet. Copy everything here. Paste. Come here. Then paste as values. Change this to third quarter. Okay, sorry, go down. All right. Come here. Say active voice, active internet is internet. Okay, so I have that. This is Q3 active internet. Okay. Then we have the Q3 boxing activity. Okay, so I'll just come to this place again, copy everything here, paste it here, paste as value. Okay, then I want to say MTN, I just need this part, then change this to Q3, Q down, come here, boxing activity. So I have MTN, okay, and copy this too. This is port in, port out. Let me see, will you allow me? Oh, awesome. Now copy this for all the network. Fill down. So, well, I want to save the data now. Save it to my system. Option. Yes, so this is Q3 2017. Okay. Now save that. All right, so the Q3 2017 is ready. Now, I think there's another thing we need to do for the operator. You can just call this AMTS in brackets 9 mobile. Okay, it's popularly known as 9 mobile, but they refer to it as, sometimes call it AMTS too. So let's make provision for that. Say 9 in bracket 9 mobile. All right. And then from here, same thing. Save this guy. Okay, I'm just going to copy this onto 17. Paste, save. Come here, paste and save. Okay, 9 mobile. Copy. Yeah, paste, save. Okay, so we have the data ready for third quarter. So we can go to first quarter 2018 now. So I'll just do Control N, open new worksheet, then copy the same data and paste it here. This is first quarter 2018. Okay, I'll scroll down for voice. Say Q1 2018 active voice. Okay, so I'll come to my Excel. I'm done with this. Just save this, close. Then come to my system, file explorer, then Q1 2018. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll just open this. Then open this other one too. Okay, so it's coming up. Yeah, that's Q2 2018. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, so Q1 2018, first quarter 2018 data is missing. So until further notice, let us just, leave it out. So this will be second quarter 2018. Then come here. This is the voice part. We have MTN up to order. Okay. Yeah. All right, just a minute, guys. I need to take my time. Okay, so yeah, we noticed that total orders. Oh, all right, so we are particular about this total because they try to break it down. The other network provider, multi-link, Visa phone, IPNX, and so on like that. So we pick the total orders in the other orders column. So I'm just saying this is for MTN to excel out to 9 mobile, sorry. Then come here, paste this as value for active voice. Then for the order, we have oops. Okay, I'm just going to copy only this, drop it up to this place, then come to paste as value. Okay, so we have the order column. Yeah, this Q2 2018 voice. Yeah, open new sheet, same date, same structure, copy and paste as value. This will be internet. Then I'll scroll down. Okay, let me save it later. I want to come here, check for the internet part, copy from here to here. Okay, right. Oh. Then come here, internet, MTN, drop the data, come to other column, YouTube data. Oops, so I missed something now. Okay, fine. Okay, so I want to copy it again. Okay. Yeah. This as value in order. And drop. All right. So I have that in place for this active internet. Okay. All right, please. In case you have any question, feel free to ask your question. And in case we are unable to finish this up, I'll just advise that we try to finish it up so that you know um, on Saturday we can just take this thing to the next level. All right, so I'll create another sheet for active porting activity. Okay. So for me, what we are doing now is one of the tedious parts. Data entry can be frustrating, but yeah, and well, it can also be automated, but just not to take us to another world. Let us just do it, stick to the manual way of doing it. All right, so I'll come here, check for porting activity. Now, this one is different. The format is different from what the previous one is. So I'll just copy this, just copy the two, okay, port in, port out, paste it here, value, port in, data, port out here, for glow, from here, copy, to paste, value, port in, port out, come here for Airtel, then for Excel, the same thing. Come here. Okay, nice. So yeah, that's that for. So I can just Control N. Okay, so that's Q2. So this one will be Q3. Active voice. And I want to copy from here. Copy all the data here. Drop it here. Okay, Q3 voice. Okay, so come here. I'm done with Q2. I can just close this and come to Q3. Voice, Q3, Q4, Q3 voice, MTN, total GSM. So copy this and Q3 voice. Okay. Okay, so come here for order, then paste it here as values. Nice. Set this guy. Okay. That's Q3 2018. Let's say, copy this guy. This one. Okay, 2018. What is internet? Yeah. 2018 internet. All right, so I can come to Q2 again, copy internet data. This as value. This is Q3. Drop this here. Drag for all. Nice. Q3 internet. Come here, paste. Come here. And then drop it here. Yes. For others, copy, paste, values. Others is fine. So this guy. Cool. All right. Cutting activity now. Copy for MTN. For that. Let's come to okay, YouTube. I hope you guys are still there. I hope you are following, or I hope you are getting your hands dirty. Hello, guys. Are you still with me?
Yeah, I'm still with you.
Yeah.
Live and direct.
All right. Are you following through, or you just sit back, you relax, and
I'm following, but you're moving too fast, so my
oh,
OPT is going different.
okay, yeah, you know. But you get what I'm doing, right? I'm just
Yeah, I get what you're
copy
doing.
and paste, copy and paste. And seriously, this is one of the most boring tasks, you know, when it comes to data analytics. That the data entry is always boring. And that's why we have automation, you know. I can actually automate this, but if I have to automate it, then I need to now walk you through. You understand? That would be another tutorial on its own, and it's a long process. So let's just do what everybody can flow with. All right. So just doing copy and paste. I hope we finish this section so that okay, Excel. So please, if I'm too fast, just walk at your own pace, okay? Walk at your pace. We can, I mean, we have time. We still have tomorrow to, you understand, to get the data ready. Why we are doing this is just for you to have an idea of what exactly we are doing and what we want to achieve. Okay, so if I'm too fast for you, this section is recorded. We are going to be sharing the video. Take your time, you know, watch the video, and at your own pace, you can prepare the data. All right?
Yes.
So I think that is fine. Okay, cool. Yeah, third quarter 2018 is ready. Ready. Let me confirm this. Yeah, I think it's ready. Third quarter 2 to 3, 3, 4. Here, check. Okay, 384. 384. Cool. All right, so I'm just going to save this. So you can go to fourth quarter, Control N, Control S. From here, new folder, 2018, fourth quarter. Okay, cool. Nice. So this will be fourth quarter here. Go back a little. Active voice first. Okay, so I'm just going to come into for voice. Copy the paste as values. Fourth quarter. Paste. Nice. So this guy. So this is first quarter, fourth quarter. Active voice. This convention. This here. Fourth quarter. The voice. Come here. MTN. Then total. Okay. I'm just going to copy. Yeah. Copy. Then paste as value. Okay. Come back here. Others. Copy. Paste as values. And we have that. So this guy. Come here. Come to third quarter. Active internet. Copy. Yeah. Paste as value. Fourth quarter. Right. Yes, sir. Please, when you are doing this, you also need to pay close attention to details, else you are going to miss out so many things. So you need to be sure that you are updating your data. Since we are doing copy and paste, you need to just be sure that for this quarter/year column, you are always updating this column. Very important. Else, it's going to mess up your data. Okay. So active internet. So come here. Okay, this seems fine. Copy up to others. Copy this guy. Come to this place. The internet. This as value. Save this. Come here. Okay. Posting activity. Copy this. Come here. This as value. This is fourth quarter. I'm gonna drag this down. And then this guy is posting activity. Sporting activity. Okay. Nice. So I'm coming here. That is here. Then come here and paste. Okay. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay, cool. So I will just come here. Where is this guy? Okay, third quarter, for reporting activity fourth quarter. So copy here, copy, paste as values, then copy this, then paste as value, come here, copy globe, oops, paste as value, come here, copy, and paste as value, copy, paste as value, oops. I'm just come here also. Okay, this is value. All right. Oh. All right, sweet. Yeah, so let me save this. Okay, so I think we have from third quarter 2017 up to the fourth quarter 2018. Okay, so hello guys, are you still there? Hello.
Yeah, still
Yes, we're here.
All right, cool. Now I'm just thinking out loud that we should try and, maybe we start the cleaning. We stop here, okay, for today. Um, and we quickly look at, how to take the data to Power BI. Do you get that? So today we are going to be stopping here, okay? So we just look at how to transform the data or how to extract the data and take it to Power BI. All right, so
Okay.
just a minute, guys. Trying to access first, okay? Yeah? All right. So what I will do is that let me bring up my Power BI. Yeah, it's up and running. Sorry, showing you. Gonna apply. Yeah. So I will do new. So please, in our next what's it called? On Saturday, which is the third day, we might not go back to clean the data again. So I want to believe that by now we should all understand how to properly structure the data. Okay, how to, we already know how the format is. So I expect that we should finish up with with 2019. That's from first quarter 2019 up to the fourth quarter of 2019. So please let us do that so that on Saturday, we will not have to go back again. We just, we take this to the next level. All right. So are you guys going to do that for me?
Yeah, definitely.
All right. All right. Thank you.
Yep.
Okay, cool. Now we want to, we want to extract the data to Power Query. So to do that, you all know the first step. We click on Get Data. All right. So because um, okay, it's coming up. All right. So because we have, let me open the Excel. Let me open the file directory. Okay. So we have our data. You notice that we have different. What's it called? We have multiple Excel worksheets in a folder. Okay. So and we do not have, what's it called? We do not have 2019 data now. So subsequently, we are still going to update this particular folder with 2019 data. Okay. So in order for this process to be automated, so that when we drop 2019 data and we refresh our dashboard, it will be automatically updated. So the best way to get the data is to get the data from a folder. Okay, we can't get it from Excel. We have to get it from a folder. All right, so I'm going to click on folder and connect. I hope you guys understand that.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll just click on browse and the directory. I have this data in the, oh my God. Okay, it should be in, okay, document, okay, here, yes, no. Okay, just a minute. So okay, I'll figure it out shortly. That's the NBS. Okay, so I have it here. Telecom. Here's a new folder. Okay. So I'm just going to connect to that new folder. But you know what? Let me rename the folder so that um, okay. Okay. All right. Never mind. I know how to go about that. Don't let that slow us down. So I will just locate the directory again. Um, I have it here. I have it here. Okay, so this is new folder. And click OK. And okay. All right. So from here, the next step is to transform the data. So I'll click on transform. Okay, so you will notice that, well, I want to believe that why we are seeing all these this okay, our data is supposed to be from second from third quarter 2017 up to fourth quarter 2018, but we are also seeing all this data, right? And this is as a result of uh, the excel the excel template is currently active. So that's why I'm seeing all these. Okay, so what I'm just going to do, I can just filter them out because I don't want them to mess my data up. So I'll just filter them out, right? Then say okay. Now the next thing I want to do from here is to okay, yeah. So the next thing I want to do is to remove. I want to remove this other data. Okay, I want to remove from the name up to the folder part. All right. I want to remove from the name up to the folder part because I don't need them. Now, if we click on binary, we can see that we have this data. These are the Excel file, okay, that we are working on, the Excel template, okay, and it's the same thing for all. Now, so what I'm just going to do is to click on the first column and remove other columns. Okay, so um, from here, are we okay? So before I do what I'm about to do now, let me just quickly explain something. Well, depending on how vast you are with Power Query, I some people can decide to maybe just write a function that will automatically, just write a function and maybe set of parameter in order for them to, clean this data or for them to transform this data. Okay, but there are always thousands of ways to achieve your results. It depends on the one that works best for you or the one you feel will make life easier for you. So we won't be writing any function. What we just do is to come to add column, okay, then click on custom column. Now, I will say, we know that our file, the file we are working on is Excel, is an Excel workbook, okay? So I'll just click on Excel workbook and select content. Okay, that's the content that accommodates the Excel file. Then I'll just say this should be true and close this. All right, so you notice that there is no syntax error detected. Then I'll apply. Okay, so the moment I applied, it will get all the Excel worksheets. Okay. All right. I hope you guys are following.
Yeah, still following.
All right. So what I will do from here is that now, if you notice, right, once I click on this table, you notice that we have in our data we have three sheets, right? We have one for active voice. The second sheet is for active internet, and the third one is for the porting activities. Okay. So, and you also notice that, or let me just quickly show you from the sheet. You notice that active voice and active internet, they are in the same format, right? Active voice and active internet, they are in the same format. Okay. We have the quarter, we have subscription, then we have the states and the network, right? But for the porting activity is different entirely. Okay. So active voice and active internet, we can append them. Okay. Is it append or merge? Yeah, it's append, right? Hello guys, is it append or merge?
Let's just remember.
When you append, what do you do when you append? You place them on top of each other, right?
Mm-hmm.
When you are appending, you place it on top of each other. When you are merging, it's sideways. So I'm using like a layman, a layman definition. And when you are appending, you are placing it on top of each other, right? But when you append, it's sideways. Okay, you are just maybe you have left table and right table, you join them together, you merge them together to be one. But when you're appending, you place them on each other. Okay, so we can do that for the voice, for the active voice and active internet, because they're in the same structure. We can just append them. All right, but we need to get what's it called, the porting activity separately. So for us to do that, what we just do is that we come to this content, then we expand this. Okay, please always ensure that you disable or you uncheck this use original name as prefix. Okay, so I've done that. Then we can okay, let me just quickly check. Yeah, you can see that we don't need the kind and the hidden. Okay, so we just filter them out. Kind and hidden, we don't need, you filter out and say okay. Okay, it's taking a while. Oops, okay. Now I can come here because I want to get the the porting activity first. I can just come here and filter out every other one. Say, okay, so you see all these ones, we have porting activity, and say, okay. Now I can come to my data column and okay, I think before, yeah, so I'll just come here, then expand this and say, okay. Now this will return, then I don't need the other columns. I'll right click and remove other columns. Okay, so this will give me the porting activity. I can duplicate this. Okay, then call this, rename this as, say, maybe porting activities. Might not be the best name for now, but let's leave it as porting activity. Okay, so I'll come back here and just, I want to go back so that I can, I'll be able to reference, you know, I'll be able to reference the other worksheet. All right, so from here, we filter out, we just leave out porting activity from our data because we've already have it. Okay, so if I say okay, this will return only for the voice, active voice and active internet. So I will expand this to say okay. So the moment I do this, now automatically, there's an append. Power BI automatically append the two. It's automatically append the data. So I want to remove other columns. Yeah, I've done that. So I can call this say Nigeria Telecom, just Nigeria Telecoms. All right. Okay, so yeah. All right, so okay guys, so I think I should stop here because I don't want to overload us. I know I believe that we are enjoying it, it's fun. It's making sense now compared to when we are cleaning the data, right? When we are doing data entry, it's making sense now. So, but let me pause here and then we continue from, here on Saturday. All right, so do we have any question? I will stop recording now just to take our question. Okay, so do you have any question, guys? Do you have any question?